Hey guys, this is Edward with ECU Team, and I'm here to show you the customer's Mercedes Benz CL600 2001. Originally, his problem was that during the shipping, he lost his modules. To be exact, he lost his keys and the EIS. Alright, so he sent in the ECU, the cluster, which is like right there, and the selector, and the transmission control modules to us, for us to make him the EIS that would fit the car and the key. So as you know, we need to make sure that the key would match his car. Alright, so, and if we'll go all the way down here, we can move the selector and see that can't really do anything with it. So now what we will perform, we will do a diagnostics and well, not the diagnostics. So what we will do now is we will show you that the selector, the transmission control modules, cluster, ECM, the EIS and the key, everything together got a drive authorization, which means that you should be able to start your car electronically. So let's begin. Right, please keep in mind that you do want to use the original Mercedes Benz scanner tool, which is called the Zentry or Start Diag. Okay, so let's take a look at it. First of all, we want to go to electronic selector module to make sure that we do receive a drive authorization. And let's go to... Right, so now we go to drive authorization. As you can see, it says yes and yes. So everything is good. We do have a check mark. Check mark again means yes and yes. Everything is good to go with the selector gearbox. Okay. Oh. Now, so as you can see, drive authorization got 2 check marks on it, which means that you should be able to start your car with it. Okay. And just so you can see, the check means drive authorization has been issued by control module ESM. The selector lever can be moved out of position in P. Yeah, so P means parking. Once again, let's check that out. Okay, you have it as P. We'll move it down to whatever gear it is, reverse. Okay, let's put it back to P. Let's continue on the video. Right, so now what we want to do is we want to check the motor electronics, aka the engine control unit. We want to go to control. Do you see the tester identification? We got the actual values. Let's check that out. Okay. And now we'll check out the drive authorization for the ECU. So as you can see, it says start enable, both sides yes and yes, which also means that you should be able to start your car with no problem whatsoever. And now it's time to check another module. Now we'll check out the electronic ignition switch. let's take a look at the actual value. Drive authorization. Start enable issued by processor. Number 1 is yes. Both processors says yes, yes, which indicates again that everything is good to go with it and that you should be able to start your car. Now let's put in the key inside of the EIS. Okay, I'm gonna turn that thing, right? We do see that the cluster did light up. Okay, so we do receive the communication with it. And let's now move the selector. Yeah, so let's see. Right, you saw that? Reverse, neutral. Okay, let's go ahead and we will move a little bit more towards back to the reverse and now to the parking. Oh, we do see some nice good hands right there. Good helping machine. Let's go. There you go. Drive. All right. Let's put it in back into the reverse. Yeah. And parking. So that's it. We just wanted to show you that the customer had a problem and that we have fixed it for him. All right. Make sure that you will leave a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that bell so that way you'll receive notification once one of the videos would come up on our YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Enjoy your day. And again, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.